We are at a fire loss out by Fullerton and Racine area, Chicago. Heavy smoke damage. In this unit, we had to perform a pack out. This is a large 2,500 plus condo unit. We have our guys packing out contents here. As you can see, they've packed out the kitchen, dining room, and living room area. Professionally wrapped all of the chairs, kitchen. They have a sauna, spa room here. We're working on packing this out as well. We already started, as you can see. This is a top floor unit that consists of basically 2 units converted into one large. We have quite a few contents spread out. This is their family room. We have some picture boxes we've packed out. Everything is inventoried and professionally wrapped. And now we're in this bedroom that's getting packed out. We have one of our most experienced guys running the pack out here. And we have another bedroom here that we're photo documenting, inventorying, and packing up. And the other room we have left for today is going to be the master bedroom. All right, thank you.